Hi guys, welcome back to Sue's All-in-One channel. Today's video is a very short video because I came across a very nice cafe when I was on the way to the pool. So I thought I'll share this with you guys. This cafe is called Levista Cafe and they make authentic coffees here. They also have some snacks to munch on. They also have options for teas as well. So when you're in this route, it's near Kushal Nagar on the way to pool. So if you're traveling in this route, you should definitely make a stopover and try this cafe. So I'll be including I'll be pinning the location in the description box. If you want to visit this place, please check out the description box. And also I'll give you a small tour about this cafe now. Okay, come let's see what's there.
The ambience of the cafe is very vibrant and colorful. You can definitely chill out for some time and relax. The aroma of fresh grounded coffee powder in the cafe makes it even more refreshing. They have live coffee bean roasting demonstration. It is just beautiful to see the journey from bean to cup. They have a nice collection of coffee filters on display and this is a visual treat for coffee lovers. They have some snacks like muffins, cookies and french fries to munch with coffee or tea. The best part of this cafe is they make traditional filter coffee and serve it in brass cups and I just loved it. Anyone who would visit Coorg or Madikeri would like to have a cup of filter coffee like this and this destination is just perfect for that. They also sell instant and filter coffee powders in different flavors and variants. I hope this video will be helpful for you guys. Thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.